Hey, Custorator, what's the update? Elon Musk donated $5 million, which is 36.5 crores Indian rupees to KGF Chapter 2 made another record in YouTube. He completed 19 million subscribers and he still doesn't got his diamond play button. But why? Round to Hell DOD episode cracking views. YouTube placed monetization rules as it was requested by many YouTube creators. PewDiePie is relaxing for some time. Netboys into the Amazon rainforest and no mobile signal for 2 days. Then we talk about Ria and Chameli Nadella. Hi, hello, namaste, adab, assalamu alaikum, sat shri akal. Welcome back to Gustorator. I'm gonna give you some interesting updates about YouTube community around the world. Before going to the updates, I'm gonna say thank you for subscribing this channel and watching the videos. And those who are not subscribed yet, so please subscribe the channel and watch the full video, like the video, hit the bell icon, press all to get the notifications. So let's dive into the updates. The first update is about Elon Musk. The world's richest person on the earth and Tesla cars creator Elon Musk donated $5 million, which is 36.5 crore Indian rupees to Khan Academy. So if you doesn't know about Khan Academy, it's a non-profit USA based organization which provides free world-class education for anyone everywhere around the world. It helps the students with practice problems, articles and videos in math, biology, chemistry, physics, history, economics, finance, grammar and many other topics. And these resources had been translated to dozens of languages including Hindi. And 15 million people around the globe reach to Khan Academy each month. And fun fact is that Sal Khan, head of the Khan Academy, he himself told that he is expecting more donations from around the world after the donation of Elon Musk, and also thanked Elon Musk for the donation. So you can understand it's spending a lots of money to give quality education for free to the world. Links is in the description for this YouTube channel. So when we talk about Elon Musk, Tesla Cars is now official in India and its official Indian company name is called as Tesla India Motors and Energy Private Limited, and it's registered as subsidiary of foreign company on January 8, 2021. I think many people does know Tesla is going to launch in India, but now it's officially registered as Indian company and not officially announced yet. But this news is going viral that Chief Minister of Karnataka B.S. Yediyurappa tweeted about the Tesla as Karnataka will lead India's journey towards green mobility. Electric vehicle manufacturer Tesla will soon start its operation in India with an R&D unit in Bengaluru, which is Bangalore. I welcome Elon Musk to India and Karnataka and wish him all the very best. He tweeted this and deleted. It's got viral in Twitter. So anyhow, I checked this news for clarity whether this whole update is real or fake in Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Then I got results that it's true and genuine that Tesla officially registered in India. So what's your comment about it? So the next update is about KGF Chapter 2. As we already discussed about in our previous video about KGF Chapter 2 records, and the video was published in YouTube by Homebale Films. At the time of publishing this teaser, it had only 400k subscribers, and after a week it's having around 1.51 million subscribers, which it gained around 1.1 million subscribers in 1 week by just publishing this teaser. And it's a record that a single video, that too a teaser, gained 1.1 million subscribers to this channel. OMG. Fun fact is that people strive for 1 million subscribers for years, and this one video gave 1.1 million subscribers in a week. Comment below about 1 million subscribers in 1 week just with one video. So the next update is about Total Gaming. Total Gaming completed 19 million subscribers and he didn't got diamond play button yet, which will be given at the occasion of completing 10 million subscribers. So regarding that, memes were made by Total Gaming followers, which was posted in Instagram stories by Total Gaming itself. Like Ajubai going to hit 20 million subscribers but he doesn't get the diamond play button. Then Ajubai reaction is, "Kya karu main mar jaun? Mere ko feeling nahi hai." Then Rachitro tweeted, "You tell me, I'm gonna make 10 of 10 diamond play buttons for you." Then Desi Gamers tweeted as, "Isko YouTube 20 million पे 2 diamond button भेजेगा." Then Total Gaming responded as, "हाँ फिर मजा आ जाएगा." Then why he is not getting a diamond play button, don't know yet. It should be decided by YouTube itself and hope he gets his diamond play button soon. And congrats for completing 19 million subscribers. And comment your opinion about diamond play button. So the next update is about Ria. Finally she got her silver play button for completing 100k subscribers. Then Chameli Nadella is an Indian YouTube channel who is a female bike traveler who do mostly travel vlogs across India, had completed 100k subscribers. Hope she also get her silver play button soon. Congrats for both of them. So the next update is about Round to Hell. Round to Hell latest episode Decode or Die is cracking views as it got 22 million views in just 6 days. And regarding that, Round to Hell posted a pic in their Instagram stories for completing 20 million views in just 4 days. So the next update is about Team YouTube. Team YouTube made a tweet regarding monetization as we heard creators want one place with all the info we have explaining what videos can and can't monetize on YouTube. Now this is that place. In it you can see the text of our ad-friendly guidelines now cited alongside examples within the context of self-search. So if you are one of them who requested Team YouTube for the info at one place, go and check the info. It is all arranged with detailing about monetization. So the next update is about PewDiePie. PewDiePie announced that he's gonna take a break and will get relaxed for some time, and he mentioned this in his YouTube community tab. I forgot to mention a few things. I'm taking some time off to chill. We managed to donate over $900,000 to charities through members and donation revenue from streams since starting this year. Proud to say thanks to you guys, we can make an impact on the world. And he mentioned how did he spend the money. I got nothing else. 3 just sounded better. Have a good one guys. Collecting charity is one thing and giving explanation about how it was spent is a great thing. Comment below your opinion about it. So the next update is about Nelk Boys. Nelk Boys is a Canada based YouTube channel with around 6.71 million subscribers who do mostly prank, fun videos and vlogs sometimes. Are going to do some adventure in Brazil. So Nelk Boys posted a pic in their Instagram stories as flying to Amazon boys. Will have no service for 24 hours, dodging jaguars and slamming. Then they posted one more story when they reached near Amazon. We are now entering into Amazon. We are going deep into the jungle, so we'll have zero service for 2 days boys. Prayer up to the sun gods. Hope their journey do good to them and reach back home safely. So that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching the video. For more updates, subscribe and stay tuned to Gusto Rater. Please like and share the video, hit the bell icon, press on all to get the notifications immediately when I post a video. Thank you for watching.